Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Aline. Today I'm here to talk to you about a really specific matter. So if you suffer from hearing loss or damage to your ears and you really want to find a way out without using like expensive meds or surgery, there is something called Sonofit. So Sonofit is a natural supplement that is here to help you guys out, and it can really do so, but I do want to talk to you guys about some really important matters before you purchase Sonofit and start using it. So if you guys really want to, start using Sonofit and really want to know everything about it, watch this video until the very end, and I promise you that by the end of this video, everything regarding Sonofit will be so much more clear, all right? Now, Sonofit has their very unofficial website, and that is basically the only place you need to go to purchase Sonofit. So I did see other places, trying to sell Sonofit, but forget about those places. You see, Sonofit is only allowed to be sold on their official website. So to help you guys out and make your lives so much more easier, I'm going to be leaving Sonofit's official website just here in the description box. It's going to be a click away. You won't be having to surf the internet looking for that link. All right, guys, plus, you're going to be making a safe purchase as well. Now, Sonofit, it is like, as I was saying, it is here to help you with your ears. So basically, Sonofit provides you with many benefits. One of the benefits is that if you have like excessive earwax, that is a problem that some people have. It will simply go to the root cause of that problem and help you guys to basically clear that out. If you suffer from, damaged hearing loss, there are many things nowadays that causes hearing loss. Sometimes it is, headphones too loud, or where you work, you don't use protection. All of those can accumulate and cause also your hearing loss. Sometimes it is inflammation to your eardrums, and so much more. Basically, what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that Sonofit goes to the root cause of your hearing problems, and it fixes that up for you. So researchers identified a specific blend of herbs and plants that can support oral health, auditory clarity, and even eardrum health, among other benefits, of course. Some of the ingredients that are in Sonofit are basically designed to, as I was saying, clean earwax and basically, do a full detoxification of your ear. So to achieve all of these benefits, Sonofit uses a really unique combination of olive oil, garlic oil, tea tree oil, and other natural substances. They are all natural, so they have no side effects or contradictions. You guys do not need to worry about using Sonofit, all right? So some of these ingredients are very rich with natural antioxidants to support oral hearing and health, of course, while other ingredients in it will help you to simply soothe out and, relax in a way your eardrums. So it's really great how Sonofit works. Plus, it is a natural ingredient, so it has a cool price and it won't damage your overall health. In the other hand, it will fix up your overall health, which is really, really great. Just remember though, this is a natural treatment. Be committed to it, use it regularly per the manufacturer suggests, and the results will come very, very soon. So just be patient as well. Plus, of course, Sonofit has a 60-day money-back guarantee. For any reasons at all, if you realize this supplement is not for you, or your personal reasons, whatever they are, you can simply go back to the official website, talk to the support team, and they will help you guys to have every single penny that you spent on Sonofit back. So that's how legit they are. It's here to show you that they are really here to help you guys out. So guys, if you are looking for a natural supplement to help you guys out, I think you should give Sonofit a chance. I mean, everyone who gave it a chance, everyone is having great results with it, and you can have these results as well. All right? Don't forget, the official website is just here. Go there, get to know more about it, read people's feedbacks, check out the awesome prices they're having at the moment as well. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back at you at no time. Have a great day. Have a beautiful night. See you next time.